Okay, I don't really know how to start this, but this is my PC. I have an Asus TUF B850 motherboard running a Ryzen 5 7600 with 32 gigabytes of CL32 6400 megatransfers RAM with an RTX 3050 and a CX 650 power supply from Corsair. Today's video will be a quick overclocking guide for my PC and any other PC with a Ryzen 5 7600. Now, I have a 240mm AIO from ID Cooling with a TDP of 300 watts. My CPU, with my overclocking settings, pulls 120 to 125 watts. Let me show you how I get that. Here in my BIOS, we click F7 as usual. Come over here into AI Tweaker. As you see, I have my Expo 2 turned on with my RAM overclocked. We come all the way down here to Precision Boost Overdrive. And as you can see, I am running the ProCrot VRM throttling disabled, the pink current control autoed, the medium load boost set is enabled to boost higher under medium loads. The Precision Boost Overdrive is set to auto to let the CPU decide when it needs to throttle due to the VRM heat. But as you see, it won't because it's disabled. Now, we see the CPU fused boost clock limit of 5150 with the customized Precision Boost Overdrive scaler of ×1. We will leave them. The CPU boost clock override will be enabled. You will want to set that to 125. Then you will come down here to your thermal management, set that to manual, set the platform thermal throttle limit to 100, and then we come into the curve optimizer. Now this took me some playing around with to get stable. I found that with a boost override clock of +125, I have to do an all-core negative of 35. This gives me a core voltage per core of 1.288.